Today's video is a quick review on this can crusher and also the installation of it as well. Because I've had it for around about a month and I've been using it like this. Which is fine, but it's a bit awkward and you tend to get a dribble when you take it out as well, which goes all over the floor. So I'm hoping that by putting this on the wall, it's just going to be easier to use and less messy. This is probably one of the most straightforward installations that I've done. It's going onto a solid wall, so we can't put it over there because it's hollow. So it's going to go here. I'm going to put it at that height. I'm not even going to use a level on it. I'm just going to eyeball it. So the first thing that we've got to do is just mark on the wall. There's 4 holes. Let's get that done. So I'm going to pop it there. That looks absolutely perfect. So 1, 2, 3, and 1 down at the bottom, 4. Right, so that's that marked. Now we just need to drill it. Okay, so we've got the 4 holes marked and we're going to use these roll plugs. It did come with 4 wall plugs and 4 screws, but I didn't think they were heavy duty enough. So I'm going to use these roll plug ones. I think this is a 6 screw, which is a little bit longer also. And I need to use a 7mm masonry bit. So let's get that put in. Tighten it off. Put it onto hammer action. Right, and fastest speed as well. Right, we don't really want it any longer, the holes any longer than the size of the screw. So probably about just over half the length of the drill bit that will be going in. That's 1, 2, 3, and that's it. So get the 4 wall plugs, pop those in. 3, 4, tap those home. Okay, now swap out the drill bit for the screwdriver bit. And let's just get the screws started. Right, okay, let's screw it on. Take it off hammer action. Now I've got the torque setting on so that I don't strip the head of the screw. Right, okay, securely on the wall and ready to use. Let's see it in action. The whole point behind these can crushers is if you're recycling, half the time your recycling containers are quite small, and to have these filling them up, yeah, it's not good. So to make them as small as possible, all the better. Right, this is it, first one. Much easier, much easier. No spill. When I did the other one, half it went down my pants. So yeah, really good. So much easier. If you do have one that's jumped out, just pop it in. Like I say, make sure that you and crush it. As you can see by that last one, you've just got to be careful sometimes. Just make sure that it's pushed in and then bring it down. Then it doesn't fly out. And the last one, again, just pop it in, bring it down. Easy. I can't recommend these highly enough. Roughly £12, I think you can get them cheaper. They're generic, so it doesn't matter who the supplier is or what the brand is. They all look exactly the same. So just go for the cheapest one if it looks like this. I'll put the link in anyway, but yeah, big recommendation from me. Cuts down on space. Great. Now that takes up a lot less space.